both lines. But we already know that the gradients are the same from the previous question. So number 8(1), so MGH will be equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now my y2, because I know that the coordinates here are 3, 1, the coordinates here is 0, 4. So I just have to choose which one I want. I'll choose h as my y2, so that will be 1 minus 4 over 3 minus 0. So that will give me minus 3 over minus 3. And that will give me what? Minus 1. Right? I know that the gradient of AC is equal to minus 1 from its equation. Okay? The equation for AC was given. Therefore, I can say here MGH is equal to MAC. Right? Therefore, GH is parallel to AC. Yes.
You see the 3 minus 0 is nothing
I chose H, X2, Y2. Y2, 1, Y1, 4. X2, 3, X1, 0. 1 minus 3. Okay, so I see what you mean. I see what you mean. Okay, I put a minus there. You should have said it properly.
I did say
So 3 minus 0, that's positive 3. And then 1 minus 4, that's minus 3. Alright? Is that okay there? Huh?
Yes.
Right? This shows that you are following. Then, number 2. So here I've done the first one there, for number 8. Then calculate the area of DEH. Right? Now, if you go to the diagram, DEH is this triangle. Right? That's DEH. Okay? Do we have any coordinates on the x-axis there? No. And what that means is, if you want to calculate the area of this triangle here, you might have to turn the diagram around and make DE the base. Okay? To make DE the base, then the height is going to be this length here. So that will be the height. Okay? And that height, we can find it from the coordinates of h. Right? What is the value of y here? What? 1. What is the value of x here? 3. So if I were to ask you and say, what would be the length from here to h? It would be equal to what? 3 units. Okay? Are you following that? So our height would be what? 3 units. If you want, you can call it, okay, no, not the base, not the base, the height. Right? Then DE will be the base, and this is equal to what? 2. We calculated it already. So the area of triangle DEH, it will be half times, it will be half times DE times, now in this case here, I'll just put H, okay? Because unless if we give a name to this point, but we can just put H there, right? So this will be a half times 2 times 3. And this will give you 2,5 square units. Okay? Let's call this one method 1. Okay? So that's method 1. I have used the basics, okay, in terms of the area of a triangle. If you don't see this, at least remember the area rule. We know the size of this angle. Remember, we calculated it from the previous what? Question. And we got the size of the angle as what? 26, 57. Following that. So if we use the area rule, it means we use the length of DH and the length of what? EH. Yes. What is what? Oh. Wonder what happened. Yeah, that's true. Right. Yeah, so that is okay. So it means that we can use the what? The area rule. This is method 1. Right? Our base times what? Height. Then method 2. Method 2, it will be the area rule. So if I use the area rule, the area of triangle DEH, it will be half times DH times EH sine of DHE. I'm using the area what? The area rule. Okay? So let's do this. So half times DH. What was DH equal? 3 square root of 18, right? And then EH was square root of what? 10 times sine of 26,57 degrees. Can someone do that calculation for us? Half times square root of 18 times square root of 10 times sine 57. All of you are supposed to have a calculator in front of you. What about multiplying with the half? Huh? Are you sure?
Oh, I think it's 57.
No, 26,57.
It's 3,000. So just 3.
So it will be 3,00 square units. Which is the same answer. Which is the same answer as this. Alright? I hope you are following. So your analytical geometry stops